What's up YouTube? My name is Blue Light Gaming and today we gonna do another tech unboxing. And today today tech unboxing, we gonna unboxing our new Rezer headphone that I purchased yesterday. I don't remember. Sorry, my throat is still hurt. I cannot talk much. Gonna be a short video because I cannot rest. But we're gonna show you what inside the box. So I have to stay silent. I cannot talk much. So the box itself is really big right now. Rezer KRAKEN X. I don't know why I purchased this because it's not same with my brother one, but this is a different type of Rezer headphone. They're the same product from Rezer, but the function is kinda nice, I guess. So we don't want to check. Sorry, I bite my microphone. Okay. We don't want to waste any more time. We're gonna open this up. In the box came with a code card. Say you can unlock your headphone full potential. That I'm not gonna use it because I don't care about that. My brother say can only use 20 minutes, so I don't need. And we have a manual, if you can see, KRAKEN X manual. Alright, so the main box itself. Alright, I can throw this away for now. We got ourselves that headphone. Headphone. So I choose this color because I don't want to become same with my brother. My brother is green and black, so I have to buy the black one. The pink one I don't care. They have a limit time of color. Only 4 or 5 or 7 color. Green and black, pink and black, and so on. Okay, we don't want to check. We're gonna open it. I don't know. Last time I opened is hard to open it. I figured it out how to I gonna open this stupid box. But time will tell. Come on. Alright. Okay. What inside the box came in? We got audio splitter, male, 2 male, 1 female audio splitter. Alright. And we got ourselves our headphone. The headphone itself. Let me open it first. Sorry if I have a wrong angle to open this, because this thing is so massive. I don't know how to open it. Sorry. Alright. I guess there's nothing in the box. Throw it. Here we are. The Rezer itself is small. Yes, it's small. But the smaller it is, the good quality gonna be. So this is the Rezer headphone. Came with the mic. It's a soft band mic, soft plastic. It's no problem. Not gonna break. It's okay. It's not gonna break. And let's see if I put on my ear. It's okay. So gonna test on my phone. I got my phone and I'm gonna test it and listen to some music. So sorry about that. Okay. Wow, the sound is really good right now. If you guys can hear it, it's really okay. The bass on the sound is louder. It's surround sound, so I cannot hear the outside world right now. It's loud in my ear, so his sound is really okay. If you want to hear it, you can hear it, right? Is it? Can you hear it? Maybe. That's the sound inside the headphone itself. Alright. That's based on the music. The sound. The mic itself is just in, but I'm not gonna use the mic. I'm not gonna use the mic at all because I already have the mic. And I think that's it. I guess. The sound this headphone is kind of nice. It's in Malaysia it cost me 189 Malaysia money ringgit. So not bad for a small headphone. It serves its purpose. Thank you, Rezer. Don't wanna talk much. So I guess that's it. Nothing else in the product itself. We only have mic. Oh, in the back you have the audio volume up and down and mic on off. But I think I'm not gonna use the mic because I don't use my because I already have the mic, so I don't need the mic on right now. The pillow, the what you call this thing? I cannot know. This is too soft. It's good for your ears. Kinda. I don't know. This is my first review of the type of headphone, so I don't know if this good enough. I'm gonna put here. Also, I guess that's it. Nothing in the box right now. And I guess that's it. I don't want to talk much. My throat is still hurt. I don't want to go to the hospital or clinic. But I guess that's it. I cannot talk more. If I talk more, I'm gonna screw myself up. And that's it. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel. If you already subscribed, good for you. Press that notification bell for more daily video I upload every single day. Don't forget to check out my twitch.tv that I put link in the description. I will live on Twitch on Saturday and Sunday. My original live stream on Monday to Thursday, if I still want to live stream normally. But I guess that's it. Nothing else to do. Let's wrap this up. Okay, this this is a tech unboxing of Rezer KRAKEN X, and I really love the product. It's small, fit my head. My head is small actually, and that's it. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram, and always welcome to another tech unboxing review. That it's been so long I not record any video. Anyways, I will see you in the next video. Peace. Bye bye. Bye. Bye.